The power of charisma, unveiling its allure. Charisma. It's a word that conjures images of captivating leaders, those who can command a room with just their presence. Influential figures who seem to effortlessly draw others to them, creating a magnetic pull that is hard to resist. But charisma isn't some magical quality bestowed upon a select few. It's not an innate trait that you're either born with or without. It's a skill, a combination of behaviors and mindsets that can be cultivated and honed. Just like any other skill, it requires practice, dedication, and a willingness to step out of your comfort zone. Why is charisma important? Because charismatic individuals have a profound impact on those around them. They have the ability to inspire and motivate others, to bring out the best in people. They leave a lasting impression, one that lingers long after they've left the room. Their energy is infectious, and their presence is felt by everyone they encounter. They light up rooms with their energy and make everyone feel seen and valued. This ability to connect on a deeper level is what sets them apart. In a world often filled with indifference and self-absorption, possessing charisma can be your superpower. It allows you to break through the noise and make genuine connections. It allows you to connect with others on a deeper level, build meaningful relationships, and navigate social situations with grace and ease. Charisma is not just about being liked, it's about being remembered, about making a difference in the lives of those you meet. Radiating confidence, feeling good in your own skin. The foundation of charisma lies in self-confidence. When you feel good about yourself, it shows. Your body language becomes more open and inviting. You smile more readily and make eye contact with genuine warmth. This isn't about arrogance or boasting. True confidence stems from a place of self-acceptance. Embrace your strengths and acknowledge your weaknesses without letting them define you. Celebrate your uniqueness, for it is in our individuality that we truly shine. When you exude self-assurance, you create an aura of positivity that draws others in. People are naturally drawn to those who are comfortable in their own skin. It's contagious. Creating a positive aura, making others feel valued. Charisma isn't just about you, it's about how you make others feel. It's the ability to create a space where people feel seen, heard, and appreciated. Truly charismatic individuals possess a genuine interest in those around them. They don't just wait for their turn to speak, they actively listen and engage. They listen attentively, ask thoughtful questions, and engage in conversations with enthusiasm. This shows that they value the other person's thoughts and feelings. Make an effort to remember people's names and details about their lives. This small act can make a big difference in how valued someone feels. This demonstrates that you value them as individuals. It shows that you care enough to remember and acknowledge their unique experiences. Offer sincere compliments and express gratitude for their presence in your life. A heartfelt compliment can brighten someone's day and strengthen your bond. When you focus on making others feel good, you create a positive feedback loop. Their happiness and positive energy will reflect back onto you. Their positive energy reflects back onto you, amplifying your own charisma. This mutual exchange of positivity can enhance your relationships and social interactions. Remember, people gravitate towards those who make them feel appreciated and uplifted. By making others feel valued, you not only enrich their lives, but also your own. Embracing acceptance, the power of non-judgment. One of the most unattractive traits is judgment. It creates an invisible barrier that separates us from others, making it difficult to connect on a deeper level. When we judge, we are essentially saying that we are superior, and this attitude can alienate those around us. When we judge others, we create a wall between ourselves and the world. This wall not only isolates us, but also prevents us from experiencing the richness of human connection. We become trapped in our own narrow perspective, missing out on the diverse tapestry of life. We miss out on the beauty of diversity and the richness of different perspectives. Charismatic individuals practice acceptance. They see the value in every person, regardless of their background or beliefs. They understand that everyone has a unique story to tell and something valuable to offer. They understand that everyone is fighting their own battles and facing their own unique challenges. By approaching others with an open heart and mind, they create an environment where people feel safe to be themselves. They approach others with empathy and compassion, creating a safe space for vulnerability and authenticity. This allows for genuine connections to form, where people feel understood and valued. When you let go of judgment, you open yourself up to a world of possibilities. You begin to see the world through a lens of curiosity and wonder, rather than criticism and disdain. This shift in perspective can transform your relationships and your life. You become more approachable, more relatable, and more magnetic. People are naturally drawn to those who exude positivity and acceptance. They feel comfortable around you because they know they won't be judged. People are drawn to those who accept them for who they are, flaws and all. By embracing non-judgment, you not only enrich your own life, but also positively impact the lives of those around you. The power of non-judgment lies in its ability to create a more inclusive, compassionate, and connected world. The art of self-deprecation, finding humor in our imperfections. Nobody's perfect, and that's okay. In fact, embracing our imperfections can actually make us more endearing. The ability to laugh at ourselves demonstrates humility and self-awareness, traits that are highly valued in social interactions. Don't be afraid to poke fun at your quirks or share a funny anecdote about a time you messed up. Self-deprecating humor can break the ice, ease tension, and make you appear more relatable. However, it's important to strike a balance. Avoid excessive self-criticism or putting yourself down constantly. The key is to be lighthearted and playful, not self-deprecating to the point of negativity. Lightening up, embracing playfulness and spontaneity. Life is too short to be serious all the time. Charismatic individuals understand the importance of playfulness and spontaneity. They don't take themselves too seriously and are always up for a good time. Embrace your inner child. Engage in activities that bring you joy, whether it's dancing, singing, or simply sharing a laugh with friends. Don't be afraid to be silly or to try new things. When you approach life with a sense of playfulness, you radiate an infectious energy that draws others in. People are naturally drawn to those who bring joy and laughter into their lives. Active listening, the key to meaningful connections. In a world filled with distractions, active listening has become a rare and valuable skill. Charismatic individuals are exceptional listeners. They give their undivided attention to the person speaking, making eye contact, nodding, and asking clarifying questions. Put away your phone, silence your inner monologue, and truly focus on what the other person is saying. Show empathy and try to see things from their perspective. When you actively listen, you make the other person feel heard and understood. This creates a strong sense of connection and fosters a deeper level of communication. Spreading positivity, the gift of genuine compliments. Everyone appreciates a genuine compliment. When you notice something positive about someone, don't hesitate to express it. Whether it's their outfit, their work ethic, or their infectious laugh, let them know you appreciate what makes them special. Be specific in your compliments. Instead of saying, "You look nice," try something like, "That color looks amazing on you." It really brings out your eyes. When you spread positivity, you create a ripple effect. The person receiving the compliment feels good, and you feel good for making them feel good. It's a win-win situation. Conclusion: unlocking your magnetic charisma. Charisma is not a fixed trait. It's a dynamic interplay of behaviors and mindsets that can be cultivated and enhanced. By embracing self-confidence, focusing on others, practicing non-judgment, and embracing playfulness, you can unlock your inner charisma and become the most magnetic version of yourself. Remember, charisma is about connecting with others on a deeper level, making them feel valued and leaving a positive impact on the world. So go forth, embrace your unique brilliance, and watch as you effortlessly draw others to your radiant light.